Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Today, we're looking at the Air Jordan 4 Lightning or Tour Yellow. Man, the Jordan 4 releases this year has been crazy. We had the Starfish for women, University Blue, Taupe Haze, White Oreo, Shimmer, and of course this one, the Lightning or Tour Yellow. All of these releases taught me how to appreciate the Air Jordan 4s. Previously, I really just look at the Air Jordan 1s. But this year made me realize how awesome the Air Jordan 4 silhouette is. It's probably the second best Air Jordan silhouette for me after the 1s. This is another re-release from 2006. Not really familiar with the history of it, but apparently a lot of sneakerheads missed out back in 2006 because it was a very limited release and it was only released online. And more importantly, they missed out not because of resellers. The materials are great. I don't have a 2006 version to compare with, but some old heads mentioned that the cut and materials of these are better. Comparing it with the other Air Jordan 4 releases this year, this barely edges out the Taupe Haze at the bottom of the list. Wearability wise, I think I was way too overconfident in getting these. I thought they're going to be just like the Pollens, but I failed to realize that this is mostly yellow, unlike the yellow and black combination of the Pollens. I think my wardrobe is a bit limited when it comes to pairing with these. Still fun to wear though, and it's a Jordan 4 silhouette, so I would highly recommend getting these in your collection. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.